Hi guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your First Bank online banking account. If you have already registered for First Bank online banking account, then now you can log in using the login credentials that you have created while registering for your account. The process to log in is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of your login process, you can access your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for firstbank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, you can simply log into your First Bank online banking account using your username and a password that you have created while registering for your account. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account on First Bank if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go and tap onto sign up option here in order to start your registration process. After you have registered for First online banking account, you will be provided with a username and a password to log into your account. So go to username text field and enter the username associated with the account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. In case if you have forgotten your user ID, password or your login informations, then you can just go and tap onto the login help. And once you are done entering the login informations, go and tap onto the login option here. And by tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your First online banking account. So with all this information, I think you can log into your account in no time. So this will wait for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.